Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Welcome back. Oh, well, that was kind of lame, wasn't it? But I've done it now. I'm not going back. Can't change it now. Okay, so I just wanted to do one last thing after new video. I didn't want to put it into the one video, and it was going to get a bit long. But tasted all those sauces, washed my chase the heat spoon, put all that away. These are going to go into the fridge now. I think they all say refrigerate after opening, so I'm going to do that. I just wanted to do one more quick thing. So when I ordered my Capsaicin crystals, the 16 million HHU stuff to add to the tincture, I also got a few dried pods, and no information on them whatsoever. There was 3 of them. So this one's got a little stalk on it. This one's got a little stalk on it. And this one also. Well, actually, I thought one of them didn't have a stalk, but they all 3 have stalks on them. So, no idea what they are. Like I say, there was no information whatsoever on the email, no information in the packaging. That's, I'll try and cut out the thing so it focuses a little bit. Is it going to focus? Am I going to focus? And it took a minute, but we're kind of getting there. So there you go. I'll spin it around ever so slightly just so you can get an idea what it is. If anybody does know what that is, just from look, then please let me know. But like I say, I've got no idea. There was nothing. Just came in a little brown envelope. The Chili Pepper Company. Just a little brown envelope with 3 dried peppers in it. All I really get off it is the sort of dried pepper smell. I've no idea what it is. So I suppose if I don't know what it is, there's one good way to find out, isn't there? So let's find out. It's dry. Okay. It's Reaper. It's got that unmistakable Reaper flavour to it. Which means this is going to build, isn't it? This is going to build to intolerable levels, probably. Look, that is hot. That is very hot. All swallowed now. Journey has begun. As per usual for me, I'm sure it's the same for a lot of other people. As soon as you swallow, the heat starts to build. Yeah, I'll just be eating one of those. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, I don't usually get too much in the way of throat burn, but my throat is on fire. It's going to keep building, huh? Interesting. I may have to cut this short, but we'll try and ride it out for a little while. Oh wow. I can feel the sweat coming on already. Tongue's on fire. Throat's worse, which is a surprise. I almost went straight for my throat. Well, I think I might get some endorphin out of that. But I have to keep it building, keep building, huh? keep thinking that, well, there goes my eye. Right eye is streaming. There goes the left eye. Okay, so eyes are streaming. Whew. Keep thinking breathing in is good, but then it's immediately followed by breathing out, which is bad. Pepper burp. Whew. Okay, wow. Oh, really, just wow. I didn't even bring any towels or anything over to blow my nose. Probably a really bad idea to do it anyway. Oh. Oh. I'll just use this for my eyes. Oh, it was so dry as well. It just completely crumbled when I started chewing it. Oh. Oh. Mouth watering. I'll try and get to the 10-minute point on the video. And then I think I'll call it a day. Whew. Oh wow. Breathing in with the saliva on your tongue is not a good idea, is it? Oh. I'm only now just feeling the burn travel. I've had Reaper powders and Reaper sauces before, but never just straight Reaper like that, even just dried. Wow. Oh wow. I'm not going to say it was a mistake. It's a journey. I was hoping to maybe do a few shout outs, but oh, I'm just burning. Nose is running, eyes are streaming. I don't know if you can see from way back here, but yes, I definitely have the sort of glassy eye look going on. Okay. No ear burn, but I'm feeling a pleasant tingling running down me. I don't know if anybody else has ever experienced this, but oh, I just wiped my eyes again. Okay, starting to come down a little bit. Still feels like a bit of a blowtorch on the back of the throat when you breathe out. But I know I'll survive. I will definitely keep these last two for another day. Oh. Yeah, what was I saying? I was saying about the tingling. I'm not sure if this is something anybody else has ever experienced, but I can give myself goosebumps. There's a little, if I move the muscles at the back of my neck and up into the head just the right way, I can get goosebumps down my arms and down my back and shoulders, and try it now. It's like a little shuddery thing. And I don't know if you can see that, but I don't have much in the way of hairs on the back of my arm actually, so you won't really see it. But yeah, the back of the throat's still where all the heat is. Oh, that was a surprise. The back of the throat. Feeling a little discomfort down here now. I think it's finished travelling. Well, I don't want to touch my nose because it's just going to run everywhere if I do that. I'm trying my best to hold it in. Oh. Yeah, that was an experience. Respect and shout out to Hot Pods again. Really good sauces. Oh, what are we at now? I've gone over 12 minutes now, so I think we'll call it a day there. We're eating the mouth's dying down, eating the throat's dying down, stomach's feeling it a little bit now, but I'll survive. I've had worse. But yeah, that was an experience. I'll do that again sometime. Don't know if I really got an endorphin rush off of that. Definitely stronger than the tincture that I've got, no doubt about that. Oh, that was hot. Oh. So a little shout out, I suppose, now that I'm thinking a little bit more again. So Johnny Scoville, Tommy Scoville, love you both. Very happy to be on the bus. You say it's not your bus, but wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. So thanks for that. Oh, I'm feeling a little lightheaded now. It's nice. Oh. Yeah, this is a good experience. I always find, it was almost intolerable. I would say I got myself up to a 7 now. So not intolerable, but it was bad. It was getting to the point where it was almost not enjoyable. But I always find you don't, like pain like this, some pain's just unbearable, and it is what it is, but pepper pain, anyway, and some other pains, you explore it. You don't try and run away from it. You explore it. You embrace it. That's the way to deal with it. You dive into it and see where it goes. And then you understand it. But that's just me. Maybe I'm talking nonsense now because I'm all lightheaded, eh? But I thought I would just eat that pepper after seeing Tony Reeves' video earlier today. I'm not sure when he posted it. It must have been quite recently, but I watched it today after work, and he ate a dried Reaper. I wasn't sure what that was, as I said, but as it turns out, it was a Reaper. So no mistake in that flavour, eh? Like I say, I've had powders and things before, and it's been in sauces, so I'm fully aware of the flavour of it. But yeah, that was something. I've still got bits. Still got bits down here and under the side of my gums. Gums never really burned. It just, like I say, it grabbed my throat and just would not let go. That was the point. The throat was the point that I thought was almost unbearable. But yeah, I'm okay now. All is well. Got a pleasant glow about myself. Right, well, I'm going to get going. I'm going to blow my nose. Again, love you all. Hope you all have a great day.